Going? Yeah, what's up everyone? This is David, and welcome to Tech Reviewer Garage. Today we're checking out the Lenovo Ideapad Duet. Let's go. So let's open this thing up. Nice box. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, always so satisfying. Let's see what we got in here. Here's our Chromebook. Look at that. This thing's pretty small. So I checked. This thing weighs just over 2 pounds, 920 grams. And with the cover and everything on it, it's like 9.6, 9.5 inches by 6 1/4. So this thing's pretty small, pretty compact, easy to take around. The thing's smaller than I was expecting. Feels really nice, solid. Let's see what else is in the box. This packaging's nice and sturdy. Nothing's gonna get damaged in shipping for sure. Oh, this feels heavy. There are things in here. Nice. So this is the front cover and keyboard. Pretty standard with this sort of thing. More foam. Oh, and a back cover and stand too. That's nice. Let's see what else is in here. Nice USB. So what this thing is telling me, I haven't looked yet, but that they're giving us a USB to headphone converter. I'm assuming that we don't have a headphone port. Not stoked on that. Alright, so this is everything straight out the box. We got our back cover, our front cover / keyboard, the device itself, all our charging accessories, and our little manual and warranty. Quick start guide. Let's start opening these guys up. What? Ah, there we go. Am I smarter than the packaging? Let's find out. Nope. Nope. Oh, look at that. So clean. Alright, so this thing has a front-facing and rear-facing camera. The rear-facing camera is 8 megapixels, which is pretty good. And the front-facing, 2 megapixels. Let's check out that keyboard. Alright, nice texture. Let's see this. I like the feel of these buttons. And this is the back cover. First time seeing the world, come on. Look at that. So it has this little tab here. And then, boom, look at that. Oh, that hinge is strong. Okay, I like that. You know what, let's go find out about that headphone port. Yeah, look at this. A single port. This guy only has one single USB port. So if you're looking to plug in a lot of devices to your Chromebook, this is probably not the right guy for you. Oh, wow, did you see that? Magnetic, that was nice. Oh, is this gonna do the same thing? Oh, this is gonna be great. Check this out. It just snaps on. I like that. Here we go, all assembled. Look at that. Hi, Mom. This thing has a long battery life, 10 hours, and 4-hour charge time. This display, 10.1 inches diagonal. Not too big, not too small. Comfortable, I like it. And it's 1920 by 1200 full HD. That's a pretty high resolution for this size of screen. So that's a big plus for this guy. So I already logged in once and did all the setup, all the out-the-box setup. It's pretty fast. All you need to do is connect to Wi-Fi and it'll, you know, update the OS and do all that stuff. But it's quick and yeah, pretty seamless. So let's see what this thing can do. Check out some Chromebooks on our Chromebooks. Steam gaming on Chromebooks. That seems relevant.
Hey guys, today we are talking about PC gaming on Chromebooks with Steam, the online gaming portal.
This image is really sharp for the screen. Like you're expecting sort of, you know, tablet or phone resolution, but this looks a lot better. It's a lot crisper.
Also, if you don't have Linux beta enabled on your
smooth. That's fun. So apart from just looking good and feeling good, this thing performs pretty well for such a cheap and small device. It has a MediaTek P60 8-core processor with integrated graphics. It also has 4 gigs of RAM and surprisingly 128 gigs of flash memory on the device, which is kind of unusual for Chromebooks and these small devices. So it's not the like highest end performing device out there, but it's certainly a lot better than what you would expect from, you know, this small and this cheap of a device. So this thing's really good on the go. This keyboard's really comfy, but you know, you don't need it. It is a tablet and works completely touchscreen. You know, we could go into, let's do some drawing. I like the touchscreen too, it's really responsive. Look at that, isn't that cute? So the Chrome OS is pretty neat. I use Chromebooks, I use Chrome ordinarily, and so this device, as soon as I logged on, started adding like my own apps, like all my own passwords, everything, all my information that I already use, and so it's super handy. And you know, I took this out the box just a few minutes ago, and it's ready to go. Like I have my own apps, I have my Photoshop, you know, I can go into my email. So right now this is synced to my account. It has all my apps, but it's super easy to switch accounts. You sign in with your Gmail or with your just overall Google account, and it stores all the information from that account. So it's super easy. If multiple people are using the device, multiple, like you and your roommates or you and your family, anything like that, you can just switch back and forth and it doesn't mess with your settings at all. It's great. And getting apps, super easy. Just go to the Play Store, and it is the Play Store, but there are tons and tons and tons of free apps. I've spent next to no money on apps, and I have tons of them. There's so much you can do. Yeah, for a small, cheap device, I like this thing a lot. You know, it's not your high-end laptop, but it is certainly more than competent. It's powerful for its size, and just all around feels good and easily integrated. Super easy to use. I would recommend it. This thing runs around $300 plus or minus, which is fair. Again, thanks for tuning in. I'm David, and this was Tech Reviewer Garage. Boom. Out of here.